What up, YouTube? Today we got something a little different. We got a 2013 Chrysler 200 Grand Touring with some radiator slash hose issues. So I'll show you what we got working with. He had a pipe crack right here underneath the radiator cap, and he got a replacement, so we're just gonna slap it on. This is basically all the tools you're gonna need just for these little clamps for the radiator hoses. They're a pain in the ass just because of like where they're located. I don't know if you can see that. And the other one's kind of over here. That one's not so bad, but that one's pretty tight. But vice grips will do it pretty easy. But yeah, we're about to slap a new one on. Put the clips back on, got everything clipped back in, and now we're gonna fill it up and see what happens. Alright, we filled it up and we're gonna let it bubble out, get all the air out, and then we're gonna see if it holds operating temp. And if it does, we're gonna take it for a spin and see if it stays at operating temp. And if it does, then I think we'll be good to go. But if not, then we might have to dig a little deeper, but we shall see. Alright, we put everything together, filled her up, bled it, got all the air bubbles out, and then we took it for a ride. She maintained temp. We checked it, still had fluid in it, didn't go down. Pretty sure we got all the bubbles out, so yeah, that's a wrap. Hope y'all liked the video. I'm about to be working on the card again soon. I've just been knocking out bills and whatnot, but I got more stuff coming soon. And I didn't want to say this, but I guess I'm gonna just tell y'all, just leak some secret information. I'm gonna be doing an E36 build. I'm about to be rebuilding the motor on my brother's car, and yeah, I'm gonna try and bring y'all along for the ride. So if y'all are interested in that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all next time.
Ciao, dude.
Deuces.